Whoa, this one looks like a sales game changer. I'm opening Dale, the self-serve demo tool from AppSumo. Honestly, the name already sounds pretty practical. If demos drain your team, this might help fast. Let's see what Dale actually does. Dale creates instant, personalized product demos for prospects. So instead of waiting for a call, people can explore the product on their own. That alone feels like a huge time saver, especially for busy sales teams and SaaS founders. First impression: clean, focused, and built for conversion. No flashy clutter, just a clear selling workflow. I like tools that get straight to the point. This one seems made for speed and clarity. Now I'm checking how the demo experience works. The idea is simple, but the impact feels strong. A prospect lands and the demo starts instantly. That means less back and forth, less waiting, less friction. And honestly, less friction usually means more conversions. What stands out most is personalization. Every prospect can get a demo that fits them. That's much better than sending everyone the same walkthrough. Different buyers need different proof. Dale helps you deliver that without extra effort. I can already see marketers using this for campaigns, and SaaS founders using it to scale product education. Sales teams will probably love the lead insight, because it shows who is actually ready to buy. That's a big deal before booking a sales call. You stop wasting time on cold, unqualified leads. Instead, you focus on people showing real intent. That feels smarter, not just easier. The qualification angle might be my favorite part. Spot purchase-ready leads earlier in the funnel. That gives sales teams a stronger starting point, and better timing usually means better close rates. I also like the self-serve approach. It removes pressure from the buyer. People can explore at their own pace. That makes the experience feel smoother and more natural. No awkward scheduling, no waiting for someone to respond. No repetitive live demos for the same questions. That's a real win for lean teams. From a workflow perspective, this saves energy everywhere. Less manual demo work means more time for closing, and more time for higher value conversations. The product feels especially useful at scale. That's where traditional demos start breaking down. But self-serve demos can keep up with demand. I think that's the core strength of Dale. It helps you educate, qualify, and convert simultaneously. That's a rare combination in one tool. For me, that's what makes it interesting. Not just a demo builder, but a sales support system. And that's more valuable than it sounds. If your pipeline needs better lead quality, this could make a noticeable difference. If your team is tired of repetitive demos, this could save serious time. If you want faster buyer engagement, this fits that goal really well. I'd especially recommend it for SaaS teams. Also great for founders building lean sales motions, and marketers who want stronger product-led conversion. My honest take: Dale feels practical and sales-focused. It doesn't try to overcomplicate the demo process. It just makes the buying journey smoother. That's why I'd give it a serious look. If this sounds useful, check the AppSumo deal. I'd compare the offer now before it changes. For the right team, this could be a strong buy. And if demos slow your funnel down, Dale might be exactly what you need.